Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, heated mirrors, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, convertible soft top, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.